Now, having a spa day at home shouldn't be complicated or expensive. So I'm going to share with you my tips on how to make your mother's day of pampering great. Welcome to Texas Brown Sugar, where I promise to help you make your life a little bit sweeter. Hey fam, I have the perfect Mother's Day gift. It's a day of pampering. Yes, pampering for the mother is a great gift to give, and it's free. Yes, I said it. Free 99. Now I'm going to share with you some suggestions on how to make your Mother's Day of pampering great. Now, to make the mom in your life's day of pampering more memorable is to give her some alone time. Now, we love our children, we love our husbands. Yet sometimes we need to have time to ourselves, time to reflect, time to meditate. Sometimes that's hard when you have kids running around the house. So take the kids out. Take them out to the playground, take them out to the zoo, or maybe even for some ice cream. Another suggestion to make mom's day of pampering a great one is to make breakfast in bed. Now, don't forget that this also includes cleanup. We love the breakfast in the bed, and we'd love it even better if we didn't have to clean up. So don't forget to include the cleanup as part of the breakfast in bed. Another great suggestion to make your Mother's Day of pampering a great one is to choose a chore, or maybe 3. You could do the laundry, do the dishes, or even go grocery shopping for us. Another great suggestion is to watch a movie together. Okay, but not a movie that you want to see, a movie that she wants to see, like a romantic comedy. And why not step up your day of pampering for your mom by offering her something sweet? Maybe her favorite cupcake, or a slice of her favorite cheesecake, or even some candy. You could use the candy to eat while you watch the movie, or even some ice cream. Plenty of options. And lastly, run the mother of your life a nice warm bath while you take the kids out. Give her the chance to bask in the quietness. And make sure you watch my video where I suggest the best bamboo tray for her bath soaking experience. All right, fam, those are my tips for making your mother's day of pampering a great one. Comment below what you did for the mother in your life to make her day special. All right, I'll catch y'all later.